Hi everyone. I know that now more than ever we're all really focused on hygiene and keeping our homes and surfaces clean, and also keeping our hands really clean as well. I wanted to share a couple of tools that we have here at Norwex to help you as you are focused on good, clean hygiene in your home. First and foremost is our Norwex EnviroCloth, and this is our go-to tool to keep your surfaces clean in your home year-round. It is fantastic and amazing because it has been tested and proven to remove 99% of bacteria from a surface when proper care and use instructions are followed. It's not hard to imagine that it can remove 99% of bacteria when you consider that the fiber used to make it and weave it together is split 1/200th the size of a human hair. And it's actually that ultrafine splitting of the fiber that allows it to be able to pick up the 99% of bacteria from the surface. Additionally, our EnviroCloth contains our own microsilver agent called Backlock. That microsilver agent is really important to have in the cloth because it goes to work when it's wet within the cloth to work on reducing mold, fungi, and bacterial odor. So self-purifying the cloth within 24 hours so it's ready to go and clean other surfaces in your house after you've done your first cleaning. Additionally, another great tool that we love is our kitchen towel and cloths. These are great to have in the kitchen, not only for drying your dishes, but also for drying your hands. They can absorb an amazing amount of water. So consider it kind of the finishing touch on your hands after you've washed them as you're working hard to keep your hands clean during this season. Additionally, it also contains our Backlock agent too, the microsilver agent. So again, self-purifying within 24 hours after you've used it.